Chicken and spinach skillet pasta recipe. I've got a plan for dinner tonight that involves a simple list of ingredients including pasta, chicken, and fresh spinach. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breasts cut into 1 pieces, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and fresh ground pepper to taste, 1 cup diced onion, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 2½ cups chicken broth, 14.5 ounce confire roasted diced tomatoes, 8 ounces approximately 2½ cups uncooked, uncooked penne pasta, a half teaspoon crushed red pepper to taste, a half cup half and half, 1 cup mozzarella cheese shredded, 5 ounce bag fresh baby spinach, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions: add olive oil to a 12-deep skillet or saute pan and place over medium heat. Add the chopped chicken and cook, stirring frequently. Sprinkle chicken with Italian seasoning, a touch of salt, and fresh ground pepper, and continue cooking for 3 or 4 minutes or until chicken is completely cooked through. Transfer chicken to a plate and cover to keep warm. Add remaining olive oil to pan and add onions. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes until softened and lightly browned. Add garlic and cook for a minute or 2 until fragrant. Add broth, tomatoes, pasta, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, and stir to combine. Stir in the cooked chicken and bring to a boil, cover skillet, and reduce heat to medium-low. Simmer until pasta is tender, about 15 minutes. Stir in half and mozzarella and simmer for minute or 2 until warmed through and cheese is melted. Remove skillet from heat and stir in fresh spinach until it wilts from heat of the pasta. Top with Parmesan and serve.